Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial of GitHub, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you the fix that most cases why your repo is not appearing in searches. The main cause of this is that your repo might be set to a private. So to make it public, once it gets public, it can get easily gets over search if someone tried to search for it. So to make your repo public, all you need to do is to just simply go to this section. Once you open your repo, go to the section which is setting. Once you tap it over there, now here you need to scroll until the down where you see this danger zone. And here you can see this option which says change repo visibility. Just simply hit change visibility and make sure it is not set to private. Well, if it is set to private, you're gonna see the option which is change to public. Just hit that and your repo is now public and it can be accessed through the searches. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.